Hi, God creatures. Welcome to my channel. I'm Francis Hayes Jones. As you can see, today I will be grilling for you guys. Oh, well, my mother-in-law will be grilling for you guys. She can cook. She loves cooking. And guess what? She's Jamaican, so she's gonna do it the best. Huh?
Where put jerk season? Oh, you don't put jerk on this.
No, just seasoning, regular seasoning.
Now we are to the best part of it all, to subscribe. For those who are new, please hit that subscribe button. Those who have been watching and haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button also. And I appreciate you guys so much, especially those who have subscribed and always watch my channel. Thank you guys. Please, it's not hard to do. Just subscribe. I appreciate it.
You don't know how to lie?
Mama, it's just a person on this.
Don't let me.
That's a
Greg
water in
don't
the
know how
bottle.
to lie. Oh, you put it on this side?
Yeah, we put them up on top. That's chicken, steamed chicken. Before you put it on the grill. Easier.
You come in, match up the whole chicken.
You know, mash up the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
You know, see a low stone, no put it on it. Now, if you steam first, if you not steam it, then a big chicken here will never cook.
Yeah, mom. Closer for you to catch. She ain't ready yet. It's still steaming.
Alright, if you want to put it on it like that, make sure. You know, cool. My days are grilling done now.
For now, till summertime.
It's summertime. I'm not grilling a cold. Oi, me say me yeah, kill me, cha.
And then you steam the chicken like so. I'm like, woman, you're not on food anyway. No, that's not.
So one day, when you see the next chicken are big. You know when I go to the big chicken. Quick never scat out this thing. No, you don't want them burn unless you got enough out here. You need my outside.
No, I do it once in a while. Because I kind of put on mine too and all that. Yeah, that's why I'm recording the food. No, I know how to mute it. You don't want it? Go get the grandma. Go get the grandma.
You know what I'm doing?
I didn't know this car drives so good.
Which car?
Wow, baby. We have to freezer.
Let me dry, Francis. This can't take out. Go get container, no? Let me dry. You see your chicken them pretty.
No, I'm saying it's so pretty. When I do my chicken, it be ugly. Oh my god. It be white like white people.
White?
White. Because I don't do all this sauce. I just put the raw chicken there and let it cook.
No, I don't. I season. This can't